imagine this. A United States military vehicle built in America sent to help Ukraine fight Russia, and now that same vehicle is rolling across the battlefield in Ukraine, but this time it is not just flying the Russian flag but also the American flag. Yes, you heard that right. A US-made M113 armored personnel carrier captured by Russian forces near the front line is now being paraded with both Russia's tricolor and the stars and stripes waving together. Well, it looks less like a war and more like a stage show. Moscow's latest attempt at psychological warfare. Well, the footage was released by Russia's state-controlled media, RT, and the timings are really perfect here. Just days before Volodymyr Zelensky meets Donald Trump and other leaders in Washington, Moscow is trying to send a clear message. Look, America, your weapons are in our hands. Let me tell you, this is not the very first time when Russia has used captured Western equipment as the propaganda tool. Tanks, artilleries, and even NATO-supplied vehicles have been showcased before. But this, flying the American flag alongside the Russian one, is far more symbolic, right? It is Russia trying to humiliate Washington in front of the entire world. Now for Ukraine, the loss of such vehicle is not just unusual on the battlefield. War actually comes with destruction, but for the US, the optics are disastrous. Billions of dollars in military aid have already gone to Kyiv. American taxpayers have been questioning, where is all our money going? Now, images like these only strengthen the critics who say that Washington is pouring resources into a war with no clear endgame. And notice the timing again here. Zelensky is traveling to Washington, desperate to secure more support as his forces struggle to hold the line. On the other hand, it is none other than Donald Trump, who has been very vocal about ending the war quickly, even suggesting that he could strike a deal with Putin. Now, this clip released right before the meeting looks like Russia is deliberately playing into Trump's narrative that American weapons are being wasted, captured, and used as propaganda trophies. So, here are the key takeaways. This is not just about one armored vehicle. This is about perception. Russia is fighting Ukraine on the battlefield, but it is also fighting America in the information war. And by flying that US flag alongside with its own flag, Moscow is telling the world that we can turn your weapons into our victory symbol. A bold, taunting move, and one that will surely echo in Washington's Hall of Power.